The topic we are going to explore is the simplifications of context-free grammar. Simplifying a context-free grammar makes it easier to analyze, parse, and convert into standard form like Chomsky normal form or Gribback normal form. In simplifications of context-free grammar, there are three steps. First one, eliminating useless symbol, eliminating epsilon production or null production, and last one, eliminating unit productions. We will discuss one by one. First, eliminating useless symbol. Before eliminating useless symbol, we need to check whether all the productions are generating, reachable and derivable. To understand reachable, generating and derivable symbols in eliminating useless symbol, in context-free grammar simplification, removing useless symbol involves three important concepts. First one, generating symbol, second, reachable symbol, and last one, derivable symbol. In the given example, S tends to A, B or C, A tends to A or B, B tends to B, C tends to D, D tends to D, B. We need to check in the given production is generating or not. Generating symbol is a non-terminal that can eventually produce a string of only terminal symbol. That is, at least one terminal symbol appeared in the right hand side of the production. Terminal symbols are small letters A, B, C, D up to Z, numbers starting from 0 to 9, arithmetic operators, then alpha, beta, gamma, these are all the terminal symbols. See the productions. B tends to small b. Here capital B is generating since it directly produces a terminal small b. A tends to A or B. A is generating since it eventually produces a terminal through B. That's why A is generating. Next, S tends to A, B or C. We know that B and A are generating. Then S also generating, but C is not generating. Because C does not contain a terminal symbol, C produces capital D, then D produces DB. So remove non-generating symbol C and D. Finally, S, A, B productions. S tends to AB, A tends to A or B, B tends to B. These are all the generating symbol, but C and D are not generating. Next step, reachable symbol, which means we need to check all the production is reachable or not. In the given production, the symbols on the left hand side are non-terminals and can be considered as states S, A, B, C, D. In the first production, S tends to AB, it means that S transition to capital A, representing a transition from S to A. Next, S to B. There is a transition from S to B. Then S to C. There is a transition from S to C. Next production, A tends to A or B. Transition from A to B. Here look at the transition diagram. A to A to B. Next, B produces small b. There is no transition. Next, C produces capital D. There is a transition from C to D. D produces small d and capital D. So D to D, self-flow. A reachable symbol is a symbol that can be derived starting from the starting state, capital S. How to identify the reachable symbol? Start from S. It reached to A and S reached to B. S reached to C. Reachable symbols are S, A, B, C. But C is not reachable. Why? Because it does not generate the terminal symbols. So leave the production C. So reachable symbols are S, A and B. Other symbols are not reachable. And last one is derivable symbols. We need to check all the production is derivable or not. Look at the production. S tends to A, B or C. A tends to small a, capital A or B. B tends to small b. C tends to capital D. D tends to small d, capital D. Here capital C, C tends to capital D, D tends to small d, capital D are not generating and are not reachable. So eliminate these productions. C tends to capital D, D tends to small d, capital D. When you remove these two productions, so obviously C has to be removed. So remaining productions are S tends to capital A tends to small a capital A, or B tends to B. Now we need to check whether the production is derivable or not. Take the first production, S tends to AB. Instead of A, substitute AA. Instead of B, substitute B. Then A replaced by capital B and B replaced by small b. Finally, you get the terminal symbols ABB. So S tends to AB is derivable. Next production, capital A tends to small a capital A or B. By replacing A, you will get capital B. Instead of B, if you substitute small b, you will get a terminal symbols AB. So AA are derivable. B already produces small b. So the entire production A tends to small a capital A or B is derivable. Here B produces small b is derivable. Derivable symbol is a symbol that can be produced during the derivation process. Here S tends to AB, A tends to AA or B tends to B are derivable. But S tends to C and C tends to D and D tends to DB are not derivable, because they are not generating, they are not reachable. Finally, the resultant grammar is S tends to AB, A tends to AA or B tends to small b. I hope you all understand the concept of eliminating useless symbol. We will cover another example problem in the next video. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.